Hello, David Bradley here. I live near Toronto, and for a brief moment in time, not so long ago, we had a baseball team called the Blue Jays that were vital, full of talent, full of magic, full of inspiration. Yeah, that was 2015. Those days have passed. I am thankful that I lived through the glory days of 1992 and 1993. I never have seen the Leafs. Well, I was alive when they won the Stanley Cup, but I was not, able to enjoy it. Anyway, speaking of enjoyment, as I was cruising through the basement, I found a 1571 disk drive. I do not know when this was last run. It's a little dirty, So, in keeping with the search and the quest to organize and get rid of things, I shall test it. It made the appropriate noises. I'll try and load the directory. It makes the appropriate noise, especially because there is no disk. Now here, this is interesting. I've not tried this before. This it is a 1571 test demo disk. And I will look. I don't know if I've hardly ever looked at this. A lot of them were much the same. So it didn't matter, because you could use these drives on all kinds of machines. I'm just looking to see if there is the performance test on this. I don't know. I do not see such a thing. So, interesting as that might be, how to use, yeah. I do not see it. So, I will grab the test demo disc from a 1541, and I will load perf. And I can type. I will load perf. And it has loaded. And now, I will look for my test disk, which I'm afraid, excuse me, I often tend to leave. Oh, there it is. In the disk drive I was last checking. Which is not a good thing. I will endeavor not to do that. So I will run. I have a scratch disk. And it is formatting. I always liked these 1571 drives. There seemed a little magic about them. First of all, they were double-sided. Also, if you were so inclined, and I don't know that I ever knew anybody that was, With the 128, you could do CPM things. I'm sure there were people out there that did that.
That was easy.
I have no doubt. I have no doubt. I have forgot about my sound effects. Yes. I often think of this time, waiting for these things to run, as the Twilight Zone time. Oh yes, there's Darth Vader. Anyway, so it is formatting the disk, and then it will do its little testing things. Does it really mean the disk is perfect? Well, no, but it gives an indication. So yes, I always loved the 1571. I liked the style, I liked the shape. The 1541, as you can see when you stack a whole bunch together, they lean forward. The 1571 are nice and flat. They don't, well, they remind me of the 1701 and 1702 model. You could stack them, and they were nice and flat. And you could stack them up, 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 up. Anyway, this is the third 1571 that I have here that I'm testing. The other two worked perfectly. This one so far looks good. It does. Better than the Blue Jays, although there is hope for the future. But still, I think in any organization there has to be an intangible spirit that brings life, inspiration, goodness, and motivation. And I just don't think the Jays have it. The Leafs might have it. They might. They certainly have the talent this year, 2018. I think they're now 1-2, lost one. John Tavares had a hat trick. Good stuff. So we will see. I'm hoping. Oh, look at that. It passed. It is still spinning. It will soon stop. Perhaps. It has stopped. Okay. So, another working disk drive. And this does not really fall into the count of 1541s because they are 1571s. But I do hope I find more of them. I much prefer them to the 1541, but yet there are so many. Anyway, so there's another working drive to add to the pile. Stay tuned, little by little, these things may be available for sale as I attempt slowly, painfully, to unclutter and organize, as Syd Bolton would say. It's not hoarding if it's organized. I was just thinking about looking over here for a magazine that I can't find. So, I can't find it. Another time, we will talk about magazines, publications, other such things. And perhaps, oh look, Omega Race for the VIC-20. One of the greatest games there was, there ever will be. So,
that was easy.
Until we meet again.